think there would be much opportunity for that kind of discussion, because most of the things that you would be fearful of would require funding to put in place, procedures to put in place. But I would not want to take away from the CEO and the chief the ability to do what will need to be done. Frankly, if there were a specific and credible threat, I would like them to have the ability to shut the system down. We may have to do that. We may have to do that. We shouldn't, we shouldn't tie their hands to what, in the interest of all our riders, they would have to do.
Can I just clarify? I'm not talking about a case where there's a specific and credible threat. I mean, I think there's nobody on this board that would, including myself, who wouldn't give the general manager the authority to do whatever he thought necessary in the face of a specific threat. I'm talking about in cases where there's a general security concern.
And there is a general security concern. It is pervasive. And in my view, that what we're undertaking now is a minimal but certainly acceptable response, and well within bounds of what has been tested in courts. This is less intrusive than what is being done 600 times a week on the New York City subway system. Less intrusive is being done in other places, and it is recognized by security professionals as a useful, but not certainly a dispositive step to taking the terrorists off their game, shifting their plans, implementing what, or affecting what their thinking might be. And this is from people who think all day long about what makes terrorists tick and what would make them take their business elsewhere or not undertake them. I think we're well within what we should be doing. I don't think there's any proposal out here that we're going to have full body scans. But I also will tell you, I lived through 8 years of airport and airline security where we were pushed back day after day, week after week by the airlines and by passengers. And within weeks after an event that we all remember, we wound up with the TSA running a security system that had nothing to do with making the system work. I don't want to be there either. I think we have to take the reasonable steps so that if something happens, we know why it happened, we know where the system may have failed. We don't put ourselves in a position of having external forces, because this is a national security issue, not just a system security issue. Putting something in place that would be impossible.